Here in the South Ari Atoll, the ocean comes alive. Beneath the surface lies one of the world's most extraordinary marine environments. Being a certified PADI Eco Center means we are part of a global network working together to protect the oceans. It ensures that our guests can dive knowing they are contributing to real conservation efforts. Our role extends beyond diving for discovery. We dive for purpose. Each whale, shark, and manta encounter is logged into global databases, helping researchers better understand migration, monitor populations, and safeguard species. We also nurture the reefs of tomorrow through our coral plantation project, growing and transplanting new corals to restore what has been lost. These young reefs are carefully monitored, creating new habitats and breathing life back into the ocean. To celebrate our certification, we hosted a symbolic dive beneath Ita, the world's first undersea restaurant, removing debris from the seabed and raising awareness for cleaner oceans. This recognition was not easy to earn. It demanded dedication, accountability, and a proven track record of sustainability. At Conrad Maldives, every dive is more than an experience. It's a promise to protect, restore, and inspire.